So here's how to see archive on ChatGPT. First up, you need to head over to the ChatGPT website, and as you can see, I'm already here. You just need to go to chatgpt.com. After that, you will get to see an interface like this. From here, click on your profile icon on the bottom left corner. After that, from the options, click on Settings. From this pop-up, you will get to see all of these options on the left. Click on Data Controls from here. After that, from the available options, you will get to see Archive Chats. Click on Manage on the right side. Then, you will get to see a list of your archive chats. You can click on any of them to open it. You can now view the entire chat right here. And if you want to continue the conversation, you can click on Unarchive on the bottom and start chatting again. And that's it. That is exactly how to see archive on ChatGPT.